In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI to generate captivating social media content for your business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to revitalize your current strategy, this tool can help you create content that resonates with your audience and makes your brand stand out. Let's dive right into the process. First, we're going to explore how to generate educational content. These posts are designed to provide value by sharing knowledge related to your business or industry. For instance, you could create a post titled Quick Tips Tuesday, where you offer a valuable tip each week relevant to your field. The hook could be something like, "Did you know this quick trick could save you hours?" Another idea is hosting a How To Wednesday video series, demonstrating a process or technique. Your hook might be, "Discover the secrets behind your topic." These posts not only enhance your credibility, but also engage your community by providing solid, actionable advice. Next, let's look at entertainment-focused content. The goal here is to amuse while keeping your brand in the conversation. For example, you might try a Meme Monday, where you use humorous images related to your industry. A hook for that could be, "Who else can relate to this Monday mood?" Another idea could be a Throwback Thursday, where you share a nostalgic story or an old photo. You can start with, "Remember when?" This kind of content keeps your audience engaged and visiting your page for a dose of entertainment. Now, on to promotional content, where the focus is directly on your products or services. Consider creating a campaign called Feature Friday, where you highlight a product or service. Begin with a captivating hook like, "Discover how product can change your game." Another promotional idea could be a limited time offer post, which you might hook with, "Only 24 hours left to grab this deal." Keep in mind the importance of maintaining a balance between promotional and other types of content to avoid overwhelming your audience. Behind-the-scenes content can give your audience a sneak peek into your business operations and culture. You could create a Day in the Life series, offering a glimpse into your daily operations. Start with a friendly hook like, "Here's a day in our shoes." Another option is sharing a post on how your product is made, using the hook, "Ever wondered how we do it?" This type of content builds transparency and trust with your audience. Finally, let's talk about engagement content. The aim here is to involve your audience directly. Try posts like a poll where you let your audience vote on new ideas or changes. A great hook might be, "Your opinion matters, vote now." You could also host regular Q&A sessions. Here, a good hook would be, "Ask us anything about topic, we're all ears." This kind of content invites participation and makes your audience feel valued. By utilizing Claude AI to brainstorm and refine these ideas, you can keep your social media presence both dynamic and effective. Remember, the key is to mix and match these types of content according to your audience's response, ensuring you maintain a well-rounded and engaging social media strategy.